y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a crock pot meal. This is called crock pot cheesy chicken. You're going to need 3 to 4 chicken breasts, some chopped onion. We're going to sprinkle this with some salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. And then we're going to put some Swiss cheese on the chicken. There we go. Got my Swiss cheese on there. Stovetop stuffing. And I did use generic, and it's the 6-ounce box. And we're going to do, and the next thing we're going to add is a can of Rotel, a can of cream of mushroom soup. I forgot to put in my butter. That's okay. We're just going to go ahead and add it to the end. It's supposed to be your stovetop stuffing, butter, then your 2 cans that you dumped in, and your chicken broth. Alright y'all, we're going to cook this on low for 8 to 10 hours or on high for 6. And I will be back when it's done. Okay y'all, so this is the finished product. I took out the chicken and kind of chopped it up a little bit. As you can see here, it's kind of like a big chunk, but there's smaller pieces there. I just did kind of like just a little bit of a rough chop. It's basically chicken and dressing with a bunch of additives, and then you stick it on top of rice. You probably could stick it on pasta, but I think rice is probably the best for this. It cooked pretty quickly. I didn't have any issues, and I think it's going to taste great. Today we are going to make crock pot chicken tacos. So I have 3 chicken breasts in my crock pot. Recipe calls for 4, but I'm just going to do 3 because that's what I had thought out, and they're kind of big. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. You need about a cup of salsa. You need a can of diced tomatoes, a can of chili peppers. You can use Rotel, but there's some tomatoes I want to get rid of, so I just put all that in there together. Let me see. I lost my train of thought. You need a smallish onion, diced up, and your taco seasoning. Y'all know that I make my own, so that's what I put in there. You can cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours or high 3 to 4. I would suggest though that you kind of check on it if you can. You don't have to, and try to make sure that this seasoning kind of mixes with everything. But that's it. Low 7 to 8 or high 3 to 4. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a little while when this is done. Okay y'all, so this is the finished product. It is very, very wet, so you may need to let it drain just a little bit unless you want soggy tacos. But I just put some sour cream, some shredded cheddar, and some chopped green onions, and this will be our dinner tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.